In this video, I'll show you how to create a birthday wishes website using ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT in your web browser and sign in to your account. Now, type a prompt like, "Create a birthday wishes website with a beautiful design, animations, photos, and a birthday message." ChatGPT will generate the website code for you. Review the code and make any changes you want, such as the person's name, birthday message, colors, or images. Once the code is ready, copy it. Next, open a code editor such as Notepad or Visual Studio Code. Paste the code into a new file and save it as index.html. Now double-click the HTML file to open it in your web browser. Your birthday wishes website will appear instantly. If you want to share it online, upload the HTML file to a free hosting service such as GitHub Pages or Netlify. After publishing, you'll receive a website link that you can share with friends and family. That's it. This is how you can create a birthday wishes website using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.